Hi. Hi, Xander. So, oh, good boy.
He's going to try to go backwards, isn't he?
Oh, no, there he goes. What a big boy. Oh no, oh no.
You don't quite have the backwards thing down, huh? All right, here. Here, let's back up.
There you go.
Here, sit down. Sit down. It's okay.
I want to walk.
Look. Okay.
He loves his walker. Hi. Yeah. Yeah, look at you. Good job. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Leaning.
He's leaning, Daddy.
He's leaning.
You
Here,
want to
Xander.
make sure you catch him.
Straighten
There you
out. Here. Put your hand over here. There you go. No, don't chew on it. There you go.
There you go. Good boy. All right. Uh-oh. How do we turn it? How do we turn it, Daddy?
Here's Xander. There you
There
go.
we go. Good job.
Come here. You can do it. You can do
Don't
it.
go backwards.
Don't go
No, no, no. Oh, Daddy.
Xander, come here.
Nope.
Come here. Go
Go
forward.
forward. There you go. No, 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 no.
Oh, no. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. Oh, what a good bull.
That was a pretty graceful fall.
Yeah, no kidding. All right. All right. Let's try going back this way.
Do not speak poorly of your superior.
There you go.
All right. Now we're going. Now we're rolling. Look at Daddy.
Wow. Come here.
Look at Daddy.
Come here.
Look at Daddy. There you go. I think you might be getting tired.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Well, he falls gracefully at least.
All right. Here. Come here.